Pairings.
Okay.
These two he's from inside and she's from outside.
Very good. Photo. We are recording everything, and everything is recording, and the screen sharing also there. Live video interrupted. Okay, take fast. Take fast. Madam, here is our
Total
online portal.
Where is the file also?
Total 230 applications. Now we are going to conduct demo version only.
Now we are talking about category 1.
No, madam. We are first of all RT first only.
Okay, correct.
Give it.
There is a sequence.
So,
RT, different labeled SC, different labeled ST.
230 for RT.
No, 230 total number.
Total number of applications.
Comparatively lesser this year.
Category
That is
179. Shall I explain by the time?
Yeah.
Okay. Total number of candidates registered for this year is 230. And out of this category 1 candidates 79. Category 2 13. 13. Category 3 28. Category 4 6 candidates. Category 5 100 candidates. Now KVS ward not coming under any category. 4. Total it is coming to 230. It is there in your file also, madam. Okay, you can also watch it. Now you can see caste wise general 81, OBC 17, OBC non-cream layer 110, SC candidate 21, ST candidates only one single candidate. So total it is coming to 230. Now male candidates 121, female candidates 101, so 109. Now third gender no one is there. Total it is 230. Now total 92 candidates applied for the selection under RT Act. 92. Now single girl child number of children applied is 46. EWS and BPL economically weaker section and below poverty line 22. And differently able, physically challenged, differently able only 3 candidates.
And still we are going to conduct for the demo version.
Madam,
Lottery demo.
please. Demo.
Lottery demo. First of all, RT only.
Okay, I will explain.
Sir,
1 minute I will read that part also. This is the order of taking lots. First one is to be done for RT lottery, RT category. Then you can see differently abled lotteries for SC, then ST, that is coming under differently abled. SC, differently abled ST, differently abled OBC non-creamy layer, then last one differently abled creamy layer, OBC creamy layer and general. Now category, after that category 1, then category 2, then after that SC, then ST, then OBC non-creamy layer, then category 3, category 4, category 5. We don't have category 6 in our school. So we will go next, the last one is single girl child.
Okay.
See, here for that online it's a demo version only, demo RT lottery only, and please sir, here only. And you can see the name here, it's what a writer, Asher is coming, it's in that order, 200 candidate is there. Now we are going to, randomly it will be selected. Here one session is there, that's why 10 seats only there, and randomly selected, and it is only for the demo purpose only. See, now we are conducting lottery. See, now Calvin, I told rider is first, now it's what Calvin is coming, and especially for the RT parent also, please sir, RT parent can see that thing only. Now this is the version, and it is already conducted. Now we are going for the, okay. Now,
Yes.
now it's what we are doing means original lottery because you can conduct other type of thing means what it will take lot of time and it's what 12:30 to 1:30 only and only one the lottery. Are you satisfied with the thing only? It is what
Okay, shall we go for the?
and original lottery can be conducted
doubts.
only once.
Okay.
Any problem is there and especially for the RT parent only asking. And we are going for the original thing. This is final thing only. RT lottery can be conducted and what here is what only one time only we can do the thing only. Now afterwards can't do anything. Please you can see that thing only.
Both parents are auntie.
No, she is from RT. He is STC.
Madam, it is in RT lottery we are going to conduct. It is transparent thing only. You can see that thing only. The name is coming. Like first one, see that one only. Devaharsha P is coming, and again what Ridunanda is coming in that order only. That we are taking both thing also. Download pre-lottery list and post-lottery also. We are taking that thing only. Especially for RP candidate, this is the problem.
This is pre-lottery, no?
Okay, this is what a pre-lottery. Pre-lottery, you can see that thing only, and all list will be there, and afterwards only will be take printout, and it's what permanently it will be available. And now we are going to conduct this thing only. You can see that thing only. Devadarsha and Ridunanda, this is the order. Now randomly you can see that thing only. See again another very important thing here. Number of section available is 1, and number of RT seats available is 10. Clearly mentioned. And 1 to 10 that RT candidate only will be get admission, and remaining 11 to 12 means what they are in the waiting list. Okay, clear, and you can check. And afterwards again it's not possible. Agreed?
Madam, okay, shall we?
Clearly mentioned. Okay. Now we are conducting, and you people can pray also.
Randomization is good.
Randomization and
Madam, there is online.
it is pages, and you can see that order. Adarsh, Sujat, and Fas Abdullah, Nihara, Nihan, Nisha,
Demo version only.
Dilma Manojan, your child got. Ramadev, and at least happy. Otherwise, we will be in what sometimes with the parent is not getting enough. And Dilma Manojan only. See, we can check sometimes what initial also we have to check.
First attendance.
First attendance. First attendance.
Okay, I will read the name. Tejas TR and Aradhya A Sujit. Aradhya A Sujit, then Fas Abdullah Nuruddin,
We are first of all RP.
Nihara,
First only.
Nihan Manohar, Nisha, Dilma Manojan, Ramdev Suneed, Digvijay Kamble, Jia S. Gadish, up to here only 10, the remaining 11 onwards were to waiting list only. And see, and your admission number also. If to Dia Manoj and all the things we can check. Now I am downloading that thing only. Download. The main thing is over. Now next thing is what in this order, and this is the order. Yes, explain that.
No, this is exporter.
Okay, exporter.
And I told the order. Second is
And see, so you see the thing only. So I am downloading the thing only. And it's called Vivint. Vivint called.
the printout we can take.
Not for that purpose. Next thing is what differently.
Vipin sir.
Okay, I will read.
Vipin sir.
This order only we have to conduct lottery, and in that order I will read here and please check. The second lottery only we are going to conduct differently abled SC lottery. Correct, sir?
Yes,
Yes, yes,
How
correct.
many candidates are there?
Okay.
I don't think anyone.
And here also it's what
No candidates.
number of candidates is what DA SC candidate only one seat, and we don't have any candidate is there. No application is there, and that's why no lot. Next one, differently abled ST candidate. Here also one seat is there, and we don't have any candidates. That's why I don't want to contact, and it won't come. But in that order only we have to go. Next, differently abled OBC non-creamy layer.
Three candidates.
And here 3 candidates are there, and that's why we are going to conduct a lottery for them. And this is the 4th one. Please note down the fourth list only, 4th lottery only we are going to conduct. And 3 candidates are there. Okay, list
Sir, 3 candidates. no?
3 candidates. Conduct lottery. See, in this order only, but randomly only will be select. Only one.
Done now.
Okay. Now it is see that only 3 candidates. Only one seat is there. That's why one seat is coming. Automatically waiting list. This year onwards, waiting list automatically will come. And we are download ചെയ്യുന്നു നോക്കണം. ഓടിട്ട് പോകും. Next, fifth one, please. I will read. Differently abled general OBC creamy layer lottery. Fifth one. No candidate is there. That's why
we are going to conduct
next only very important thing and
the demo version.
service category 1. Now we are going to conduct for what sixth lottery and it is for what service category 1.
How many candidates are there?
One minute. Sir.
Lottery demo.
79.
First of all,
Only 79.
And here this is the order. Demo കാണിക്കണം മറ്റേ വേണ്ടല്ലോ. No need. And you can see this order. No. Correct only, na? Because the time is the problem. And you can see this order also. Aradhya P, then 11 Maria. This is the order only. Now what is in sometimes what the number of transfer also 2 will come. And in that one only what automatically will come. Number of transfer only. There is what number of transfer 4 means
Randomization here.
among them.
4 candidates with category 1 with 4 transfers.
Equal number
Out
of
of that
Equal
4
number
will
of
be
transfers.
only this. And
Same.
again there are 5 candidates, 3 transfers. Randomization will take place in that category only. So final list will be
Same
again.
priority, but randomization will be selected in which order. And here it's what the candidates, what 79 candidates are there. And RT seats already, 10 seats already reserved. Again, what it is special that quota also there. Okay, sponsoring agency quota, SAQ, and that 5 seat, remaining 10 seat. DA reserved is 1 seat only.
That is above 40,
No, no, madam. It is within.
Class will be this, other classes.
no? Correct.
Okay, go for it.
Okay,
Go for it.
conduct. And want to read? Want to read the name? Just Aradhya PP, and then LIN Maria, and then
That means
Harshida.
how many transfers? 4 transfers, sir?
It is no sir, 6 transfer. Aradhya 6 transfer. And second case is what 5. It is 5 transfer. That means what there is no order. And among the 4 transfer only what load. Then randomizedly they will select. And here is what Harshida Ishan, Harshida P,
And you can see the name.
Rushel,
It's what the writer.
Anushka, Devanjana, Nihal, Nakshatra, Ameya.
Now we are going to
Okay, in the same order only. Now
Now we will go for
download all.
download.
Please.
No, sir.
Please, it will be selected. Here one session is there, that's the 10 seats selected and randomly selected, and it is only
Service category.
Next is service category number 7. Transfer number, it is draw number 7.
now we are conducting.
Candidate 13, na?
Ah, sir, 30.
1 minute, sir. Sir, I'll check it. Category 2. And the total number of candidates 13 only. Okay. We are going to conduct.
Yes.
Lottery.
And all are waiting list only. That is 56 only. Automatically will come this year.
Now it's
Up to there 55 waiting list and here 56 and continue. It will be continuing. Download lottery result. Next, after service category and very important thing, SC. SC lottery.
Of the parent can see that thing only. Now this is the version and it is already conducted. Now we are going for the.
How many candidates?
Okay.
And it is number of
21.
SC 21.
21, sir.
21.
21. And in RT, it's not there, no?
No.
It is number of section 1 and the number of SC candidate is 6. Automatically that will be calculated.
Yes.
Now we are going to conduct lottery for SC candidate. Then we can see the thing only. And all are in waiting list. Now that means what? Already in
Now
RT.
it's
There are 6 candidates.
Already in 6 candidates. There is SC candidates. Are.
Or we are doing
That will be checked.
because you can contact other type of
ST only one.
उसका हो गई नहीं.
ST one.
Sir, sometimes when it is SC candidate, RT category 1, category 2 they will check and afterwards only for remaining candidate. That may be the order.
only once.
Next, sir, number 9,
And we are going for the
ST lottery. Okay? Can I go?
Yes.
Yeah. Only one
Okay.
candidate.
No. Still I need to check. Still.
Only one candidate.
That must be
And only one candidate. If one candidate also there, need to conduct lottery.
And what if there is sort of only one time only we can do that thing only. Now afterwards.
They will rotate there only.
Okay.
What do ST category?
Sir, need to check it's what whether I'm downloading or not. Veena,
Waiting list.
download.
Can't do anything. Please you can see that thing only.
Next.
Next, sir, number 10. Number 10, OBC
that is
non-creamy
shown
layer.
sure, no?
Which one, sir?
That ST is shown sure, no?
Still it's showing it's sort of waiting list only because that candidate is getting in that category 1. Is it category?
Okay, अच्छा.
We'll see that.
And first category 1. If it's coming under category 1 means what? Then only will be seen. Okay, it is showing waiting list only.
Sure, see.
System.
That must be sure. see.
Actually, it's ST, there are no other candidates.
है ही नहीं competition.
No.
OBC non-creamy layer, number of candidates.
So next one, it's what number 10 only, na? OBC non-creamy layer lottery.
110.
Number 10.
Number of candidates, 110.
In RT lottery, we are going to contact
18 only. Eligible OBC non-creamy layer category application list is for 108.
There can be distance, they must have put wrong.
Yeah.
I think.
अच्छा, ये 110.
Just corrected 108.
it is transparent thing only. You can see that thing only.
So other two means rejected.
Maybe some problem.
No sir, they may be in what RT. They got admitted in
Correct.
RT, then in that case they may not be taken. We don't know. We
that's
have to
right.
check. That is the chance.
There must be two OBC and CL.
You
Okay.
can see that only Devamsha P is coming.
Okay. Contact log.
First name already read.
It is Aradhya PP, Ameya, Harshida in that order only. It is what after.
Randomization.
Okay sir.
And
And all
again,
waiting list only.
Vedunanda is
It is
coming.
Aradhya PP.
And we are
Who
taking
are
both.
the PP?
Aradhya PP. Ishan, Mukesh.
waiting.
No sir.
That's waiting.
No. It is not. They are not excluding. It is Aradhya PP already got in what category 1 admission. They are not excluding.
Oh, that is category 1, that's why. Category 1 will not answer.
Already got. Already got.
That's why the RRB PP is
Okay.
repeated. Correct.
They are repeating. They are not excluding sir.
Yeah.
Next for what?
Yes.
Okay.
Service category three.
Post lottery also. We are taking.
Right?
Next is service category 3, number 11. Correct only na? Sir.
Yes.
28.
Applications.
No. I mean order number 11.
Order number 11.
Lottery order number 11.
Lottery order number 11. It is what category 3. It's what 28.
Category 28, right?
28 na?
Yes, correct.
No hurry it. We should not be commit any mistake, and that's why only double check. Always nice.
Especially for RT candidate, this is the purpose. Okay, this is what a pre-lottery.
See sir, here also what Ocean M Sujit Aviram. It's also completed.
There are also number of transfers is there. No?
It is there, and there up to category 2, it is waiting number 68. It will be continue from waiting number 69 to.
Pre-lottery, you can see that thing only, and all list will be there, and afterwards.
Okay.
Then category 4. You first you read the name, then you
Okay.
go for
Okay sir. It is number 12, service category 4.
candidates.
And the 6.
Total number of candidates 6, and Gautam Vijayan and Sri Harsh MB, Vediga
and now we are
Faz
going to conduct
Abdullah.
this thing only. You can see that.
and they don't have any transfer. That's why randomly it will be select. Contact.
only. Devadarsha and Vidunandu, this is the order.
Now it is what is starting from here is first Vedika is coming. Vedika, Nanda Kishore is coming.
Randomly, you can see nothing only. See?
And there is up to 96
Very
and it will
here.
continue from 97 onwards. Okay, download. Next one.
Number of section available is 1 and the number of RTC
It is number 13,
Category 5.
service category 5.
is clearly mentioned. And the 1 to 10 that RT candidate will get admission.
100
And remaining 11
It is 100 candidates. 100. Okay, I am going to conduct
and you can
sir.
check. And afterwards, again, it's
Okay.
possible.
And I will read the name Vidunandana, Elam Nadiruddin, Ashiga Vivek, Alan Lijin.
Agreed?
Okay, sorry.
Clearly mentioned. Okay. Now we are conducting and you people can pray also.
And here it's what Siddharth is coming and waiting list 103 onwards. Up to 102 there. Okay, Siddharth and Ashiga and because 100 candidates are there, no? Randomly levels. Download.
Randomization and
Last.
The last one and it's what draw number 14 is a single girl child SGC.
Candidates.
Candidates number.
it is pages and you can see that order. Adarsh
46 numbers, right, sir?
No, 46, 45. 45.
But 46 is the
Number of
It is 45 only coming. System is taking 45.
Sujat and Fas Abdullah.
Maybe double entry.
Nihal.
Maybe.
Isha.
Maybe.
No, maybe.
The system is taking the eligible candidate, the eligible 45 candidates the system is taking. And 45 and the name that I can read Harshida, Ishani, Aruhisha, Diyamai, Nia, Nihara, etc. Now I am going to conduct it's the last lottery. Conduct lottery.
Dilma Manajan, your child.
Okay.
And Ramadev and at least otherwise we will be in for
2 candidates and here in SGC 2 candidates only will be get show seat and it is Harshida Chowdhury and Ishani. The remaining person is what Nia onwards.
is not getting any. And Dilma Manajan only. See, we can
Janvi,
check sometimes.
single
For
check.
initial answer, we have to check.
Janvi is in number 11
is it a waiting level or
and waiting 9.
waiting?
Waiting 7, sir.
Okay, sometimes they are getting in category 1.
Okay, I will read the name. Tejas TR.
I am downloading.
And Aradhya A. Sujit.
It's completed. Thank you for your presence.
Now,
And now Bivina.
Aradhya A. Sujit.
Live കൊടുക്കണം
Fas
സാറേ.
Abdullah.
Live end ചെയ്യട്ടോ?
Noor.
End ചെയ്യട്ടോ live?
oh yeah. Now you can end the line.
Nooruddin.
അല്ലേ വിനെ?
Nihara.
It's enough, na?
Process is over.
I think that our process, madam, and all members, our process is completed. We have completed our
Isha,
process,
Dilma,
and now we are
Manojan.
going to take a printout that you can check manually. And thank you for your presence.
Okay. Successfully conducted. Yeah.
Okay, successfully conducted.
Power supply and so many things.
What all
Sir, ये वीडियो कट कर दूं मैं?
Under.
Yes, live.
I purchased the